Okay, we are getting ready to take a deep dive into culture. What does culture mean? Are there other things within culture that affect our life, our communities, our thoughts, our families? The answer is yes. So you're going to take a deep dive into cultures this week, and I hope that you do enjoy it. The first thing that you will do this week is read Chapter 2 in the e-textbook, and you will complete the quizzes 2.1 through 2.7. Once you've completed the reading for the week and completed the quizzes, you are going to complete the journal activity. The journal activity centers around symbols, values, and norms this week. So, you're accustomed to Crash Course in Sociology by now, hopefully. You are going to watch the Crash Course video, and then you are going to answer the journal. Now remember, when you are doing journals, you are going to highlight and copy all the information between the dotted lines of the journal. So this is the way that we format. You're going to copy that and then select the Start or Edit My Journal entry box. When you get to the next screen here in the entry box, you're going to click in it and you're going to hit Paste. That is going to give you the exact format for the journal. When you insert your answer, so whatever you type, you are then going to highlight and change it to a different color. Now again, just make sure that you are looking at the items you are changing into a different color and making sure that you have added enough content. So think about these in detailed sentences, very small paragraphs, things like that. So essentially you're pulling out from the Crash Course video explanations of these particular vocabulary words. When you are done, you are going to click Save Changes, and that will submit your journal assignment to me. The final activity for the week is a writing activity. So this is going to take a deeper dive into cultures, subcultures, and countercultures. You'll click on the writing activity link within the assignment, and then remember, it's going to tell you to make a copy. So you have to make a copy of the assignment in order to access it. This is going to deposit right into your Google Drive, and you'll be able to submit it once you're completed through your Google Drive in Moodle. You're going to watch another video. I know, lots of videos, but hey, it's a lot better than doing more and more and more reading. All right, you're going to answer in your own words what you believe or what you have learned that ethnocentrism is. Remember, your own words does not have anything to do with copying and pasting from the internet. If you would like to do some research outside of our textbook, outside of the videos that I have assigned, that's totally fine. You need to give credit where credit is due, but no copying and pasting, okay? Your words need to come from you. There's additional resources here, and then I'm going to have you kind of look at yourself a little bit and think about what subgroups you're a member of. I would like for you to really take a look here because a lot of times we're members of a lot more subgroups than we give ourselves credit for. I only have 3 sections listed here, but you can probably add many more, so just feel free to add to that. And then you'll do a sociological perspectives on culture and answer a few questions. Here's the box that you will add links for if you use additional resources. Be sure to do that if you're branching outside of our textbook and the videos that I'm sharing with you. All right, so that should get us to, I guess I should get to the correct correct Moodle class here. My goodness. That should get you through all of the culture items for this session. As a reminder, I am always only an email away. I'm also on campus, so if you're on campus and you want to stop by and have questions or concerns, I'm open to seeing you on campus as well, even though this is an online class. Please feel free to reach out to me at any time, night or day, it does not matter. I am always an email away. Have a great week.